When I think about how great Jamaica is, I sometimes feel like to cry because a country as great as Jamaica, rich with so much natural beauty, and when you think about it, we have landscapes that vary. We have many sites that attract people the world over. We are green, beautiful. We have some of the most welcoming people you will ever meet across the world. We are proud, happy, joyous. We have created some of the world's greatest sporting heroes across many games. We have created legendary individuals. We have created some of the most far-reaching persons that will ever be seen. Yet still, crime is the monster that degrades Jamaica. And year after year, crime, violence has wreaked havoc upon this great nation we now call Jamaica. Plans have been set afoot, but nothing has ever seemed to put the monster of crime to rest here in Jamaica. Bodies upon bodies, year after year, no end in sight. And for a country that has produced so many great, we have allowed crime, violence, and ignorance to keep us down and out. Many leaders have come. They have come and they have gone. Many leaders have been voted in with great promises. Many leaders have come with great potential. Many leaders have come with great change in promise. But Jamaica have seen countries such as Singapore, once below us economically. We have watched them rise year after year to the mega power that they are now. Singapore is truly a beacon that shows Jamaica what we have missed. We have run year after year without proper vision. We might have plans, but constant infighting has caused us to do things too grand, and oftentimes our grand desires oftentimes are not founded in merit, because we have found ways to fight one another for power and glory. We have failed to realize that this fight for power and glory have caused the kingdom we know as Jamaica to go to waste. We have forgotten our past, and in many cases we don't love each other anymore. And sadly, this great country we know as Jamaica is going to a sad future. It is not impossible for us to come out of this rut. Many countries have done it. In my lifetime, Botswana has grown from poverty to one of Africa's stellar nations in terms of development and growth. So while we live here in Jamaica, we are always hopeful. We're a people of hope. So I will remain hopeful that Jamaica will see its full potential.